your boy RIZWITMOTION, aka Motion Boy Riz, man. I ain't gonna lie, we was really just cruising, cuz, and out of nowhere we seen hella Mopars coming. I think we headed to a car meet right now. Yep. This shit crazy, man. It got deep as fuck, so now we in line and shit. We gonna keep y'all updated along the way, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned.
Alright.
Scat. You got scat, you got, okay. That shit easy. Yeah.
Well, look at all the other bikes.
That shit slimy. Man, y'all know how we coming, man. We with them slime boys, you heard me? Deep as fuck. This my nigga first day out too. Come on, man. I was good you too, man. Y'all already know this your boy RIZWITMOTION. aka Motion Boy Riz, man. Who I'm here with, man? Big boy, great. What going on first day out, niggas? Yeah. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, we turned, man. I ain't gonna lie, we was just swerving this traffic doing some shit. Next thing you know, we see like 8 Hellcats, 8 sketches come out of nowhere. We start cutting up with them, and we end up here, you feel me? Check out the slime though, like, show them the slime. This shit hard. Okay. You know? Yo, we outside for song, pick up the camera in a second. I'm probably gonna do some interviews and shit out here, so y'all stay tuned to shit. My name Riz, on here with
Mills, SRT Mills.
I see you in that shit, bro.
Scat motherfucker.
Alright, look, what's the craziest car experience you ever had in your whip?
The craziest experience, shit. When I was goddamn doing a road race with this Camaro, it was an SS, goddamn.
Yeah.
We was doing goddamn about like 130 around the corner.
What do you mean by that?
When the SRT mode started sliding, I had to control that bitch. Everybody thought I was finna crash out and wreck.
Hey, but you got that right though.
Nah, I shook right. Goddamn, my niggas, they just thought I was finna wreck because it was crazy. Like, anybody that's doing a 120 around the corner, you would have thought they would have crashed out. But you know, I got wheel, gang.
You got the wheel for sure that.
You know that, gang.
Hey, what's a pro in a con in your vehicle?
The Pro is goddamn that shit faster than the Charger Scat Pack. No disrespect to my Scat Pack niggas out there. I still fuck with you all love. I grew up in the Charger. But the shit faster because of the power to weight ratio. But the Con, that bitch, it ain't goddamn more aerodynamic than a Charger, goddamn. A Charger more smoother to drive and shit. And bending corners is way goddamn more comfortable in a goddamn Charger than a Challenger. I can say that.
All right, one more question. What's your favorite upgrade? Like modification, like what's your favorite one?
That exhaust motherfucker.
Ain't loud.
Yeah. Other than goddamn performance, that goddamn exhaust. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta get to the exhaust.
That shit go crazy. All right, shout yourself out, mud.
SRT Mills, my IG, SRT Mills, the #1, goddamn. South Carolina shit to North Carolina, we out here.
Hey, man, go tap in with him, man. Man, we finna be on the way to the next location, man. I ain't pick up the camera like that, but I got some interviews for y'all. Nothing but Mopar, man. I love you here. And we in them green motherfuckers, we out, twin. Yeah. What's good, twin?
What's the Addy?
Yeah, I got the low, Huh? All right. Chill. My nigga Jordan. Yeah. Oh God. 1001 Tuckasee Road.
My nigga RJ. Yeah. Yeah, twin. Yeah. Oh, we out. Huh? Who? Alright. Come on.
We got bikes out this house too on my daddy. Chill. We outside, nigga. Come home, man.
Okay. You
that shit, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie. It's hella people outside, man. I ain't even know this many people was in the cars for real, but you feel me? Q50 coming real soon, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Goddamn. Comment down below what's y'all dream car like right now. Do that shit right now, man. Damn, he cutting up crazy. Oh, we outside. I'm gonna pick up the ball when we get there, man. Alright, YouTube, we back once again, man. We got a new low and shit. I ain't gonna lie, this shit. Hey, man, just look for y'all stuff, man. Look at this shit. Show the city too, like we really back in that city, you feel me?
Oh, this is a beautiful view, dick.
Oh God, come on. Let's go and stop. Let's show them the motion, man. Oh my goodness.
Damn, look at that marrow. Look at that. Go to that marrow. Go to that marrow. That marrow hard.
This shit that shit hard, cuz.
Venom.
Venom time, nigga. Nah, he shitty, cuz I think he got the best shit out.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. His shit hard.
This shit smooth. Are them shits hard to work on? Cause like
The
the
vets?
hood come like
I don't
different,
know.
you feel me?
But this the old vet though.
Yeah. I'm full of this, man. God, I'm finna do some more interviews and shit. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned for more. I love to hear that. I'm already knowing. I'm with y'all. Hey, look who done put up on me, man. That boy Jeremy NYC was going to.
That was you, bro. Bro, I was in that black queue with that scat. It came on scat. Nigga, you on the other side of the shit. I was bro, I thought you was gonna Mac over there, bro. You wanna run that exit shit, bro. I was like, you know what? I got Will,
Twin. Nah, he got Will,
He a
cuz.
fan, bro. I'm a fan too. I forgot. Bro, I'm on the way cutting up with this scat, my boy Jay, nigga. It's a random ass fan come out of nowhere. I'm like, oh shit.
Hey, you know.
knew they was coming to the car.
Have you seen his Q50, cuz? Have you seen his Q50, bro?
Nah, let's go take a look
Come
at
on,
it.
but hey, twin, Jordan, he getting Q50 too.
I'm about to get it.
Come on, we all getting Q50 with them Q50 boys. Nah, his shit OC, bro. I never lied to you. This nigga inspired me. He was keeping up, what? That nigga got Will though, for
I was in
real.
the back, I was just cruising.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
good
my
looking.
camera died, bro.
This shit way. NYC. Yeah. Hey, you know what's going on, man. We got cats out this bitch too, man. Come on. It's a whole lot of shit going on, you hear me?
Grinch trying to tell Grinch to come drive this shit over.
Grinch over here.
Back up.
There's a spot right there, twin.
Just back up.
Mills. There's a spot right there. You can park it.
Oh, you got it right there.
Shit. Sure, this shit hard, cuz I ain't even gonna look to you. Hey, who the beam beside you, twin? Who the beam beside you?
Hey, come on, bro.
This shit
Rev that
video,
bitch, rev that
boy.
bitch. Rev that
This
bitch,
shit get
quick.
loud.
Stop, bro.
Fuck it. Rev it.
Q50 boy. Huh? Hold on, what? Where on, twin? Oh yeah, we'll ride out. Bro, this shit was so deep earlier. Man, fuck that.
I think they pushing back over here.
Hey, this shit finna get even more deep. Oh my goodness. I told you.
My camera, bro. I need my camera right now, bro. You got an SD card?
Nah, we. That's Q52.
Oh my god.
She moving.
That shit whining.
They finna be so deep. What's your favorite whip out here, twin?
Nigga, that wide body.
That wide body. Yeah. Hey, Jeremy, what's your gun sound like, bud? What's your gun sound like? I'm making your ass a meme on God. Hey, Grinch. I got one question, gang. What's your gun sound like?
Huh?
What's your gun sound like? Yeah. Hey, well, what's your gun sound like, twin? I got one question. Yeah. What's your gun sound like, gang? You don't got no gun? He can't even say that. Oh, shit.
Hey, though, bro, like my nigga Riz tapping my nigga. Show the camera, like who the nigga? You know what I'm saying? Like who this? Like you know what I'm saying? Stop playing with my nigga. But look, bro, what's going on, bro?
This shit hard, boy. They got drones outside, like. Look at the city in the background, like, come on, man. Hey, twin, I need tutorial on that, gang. On God. That shit is meaty. They outside, you feel me? Look at the city, though. Like, that's really number one. And then, hold on, this shit right here, cuz. I'm just now getting in the car, but this gotta be the hardest interior, like, fucking motor, whatever the fuck. This the hardest shit ever, cuz. This nigga got venom time on his shit, like, come on, who's doing it like, cuz? This your shit, what?
No, mine the green one.
Damn, what the fuck? Oh my soul.
That's caught. Where Nate? That's Nate too.
Cuz, it's finna get meaty.
Oh yeah. Car and Nate, they go crazy.
They go crazy.
Niggas wild, bro.
Damn.
That car shoot flames. You'll hear it, and it backfire. You sound like gunshots.
These car hard as fuck. Hey, Lil Twin, what's your gun sound like? You said what? Hey, twin, hold on, I got one question for you. What's your gun sound like?
That shit was trash, my nigga.
God, that shit hurt the. Be careful, cuz, on my daddy. I need you, my nigga. Bitches don't play no games, cuz. That shit hurt the fuck out of my ear. I ain't gonna lie. I wish my gun sound like that. Bro, fuck what everybody talking about. Look at the city in the background. That shit meaty as fuck. Feel me? Alright, y'all boys, we back at a new spot. Yeah, y'all already know what's going on. Hold on, I'm finna flip the camera. Watch this. You know what I'm saying? We back in my shit. You feel what I'm saying? I had to pull out my little whip and shit. Damn. This shit meaty, cuz. Oh, bullshit. I keep forgetting my camera. We on the phone with it, but I don't give a fuck. Shit. This shit hard.
What's wrong, Patrick? Big niggas gotta eat.
This shit nudie. Why you ain't turn your lights on? What?
Oh, shit. I'm tripping.
Turn your light on. This nigga here, he a little new to this shit. But the green shit hard though, my nigga. Like, feel me? Bro, really came green. She let me draw this bitch earlier, but like, you feel me? On the side though, come on, man. Come on, man. With the diffuser on the back. My nigga really turned. Bitch, cut on when you see me. Baby girl, you need me. She saw me on TV. Channing on one E. All they talking shit.
Snoop engineered this.
Fuck, I look like tripping by the hoe. She probably fuck my bro. Fuck a red light, lil' shawty green. Her contact name go. I can hit the bitch 1,000 times and still won't be my hoe.